Hi, welcome to this channel. Today we are discussing about Deepseek and Chatgpt. What is the difference between a Deepseek and the Chatgpt? So we will discuss and learn something about the both of these and some insight. Basically, Deepseek and ChatGPT are both AI chatbots. So they are helping the human beings like the people who are using the technology. It is helping them in certain ways like the searching some information or making sure some uh, to get some content. Okay, there are several ways like where they can help and leverage the technology in terms and like reducing the burden in terms of the few of the tasks. What are all those tasks we will see now? So the DeepSeek and the chat gpt, as we are saying, like they're the chat bots. So how they are helping us? So here, one of the feature that it can help is writing the writing assistance, and in the sense like whenever you want to create the documents or the create the contents, right, to create the content, then chat gpt and the deepseek, any one of them we can use in order to creating the documents and preparing some content. Okay, so that is a one of the good feature of both of them. And then coding and the technical queries, like, so sometimes, right, the development team or any of the coding people, if they need some urgent assistance with respect to the, any kind of the code, they can quickly approach any one of these two tools, and then they can look for the solution. Both will provide the related necessary information with respect to the request that you are asking, either ChatGPT or DeepSeek. So they can help you in providing the technical knowledge and technical skills, especially when you are looking for a certain piece of code. Then you can request any one of these two, so they can give you the solution for the need. So if you just type I need so and so code for a so and so piece of code, it can generate you and can give you that particular code. But here, the way both these two are generating may be differing. ChatGPT and the DeepSeek, they have their own style of giving uh, the necessary solutions to you. So it depends on. So for example, uh, ChatGPT offers a comprehensive code assistance providing detailed explanation. But whereas DeepSeek, it is generating the code in a modular way, and it can be useful, and it is a quick and efficient and little fast also. So it will precisely give you the coding with respect to the challenges that you are requiring expecting. Learning and research is the one kind of feature which both are serving. So learning and research, and so sometimes like whenever you want to know some information, when you want to research something, you can approach these tools, and these tools can give you the necessary the research information which you can derive and which you can conclude uh, the information based on your perception and need. So that is a very good kind of feature that both of these two are helping. And another one is the cost and efficiency. DeepSeek stands for the effectiveness, because the usage, like the DeepSeek gives you the cost optimization, but whereas ChatGPT can you require subscription which is a little high, so depending on the our needs. Okay, so the cost effectiveness is comparatively, there is a DeepSeek is a little low, but ChatGPT is a little high. Okay, so this is the cost effective. And finally, privacy and ethical concerns, right? So basically, these are the free tools that are available in the market. So when we are using these tools, right, So the privacy and sorry, data protection is very important. So these things are to be considered very carefully and thoroughly. So ChatGPT works under Western data protection standards, and DeepSeek works under the data storage practices, content moderation policies. But there are high chances of the exposure of our data, because DeepSeek is open source and anybody can access the databases. So there will be high chance of manipulation thing. So it should be very careful. So these are the features that we can talk about both DeepSeek and the ChatGPT. Well, anyway, so which one we have to select, or which one is a better for our need, right? So that depends on our nature of work or nature of tasks. Okay, so for technical users and developers, obviously, DeepSeek is offering a greater advantage, and since it is open source, there is a high regard with respect to the data privacy, and that should be keep in mind. And then general users and business content creator, they can go for it is an advice only. It is not necessarily completely you follow this, but this is advice. So it is a disclaimer, like it's up to you, so which one you should select. So chat gpts might be the choice for general users, um, for general users purpose. Okay, and that is the chat gpt will be helpful for privacy conscious users, right? So as we have been discussing previously, so data privacy or the securities are very much concerned with respect to the users when they are using a specific application or the public internet, right? So for that, just keep in mind, like when you are using the application. So ChatGPT, since it is adhering to the Western data protection standards, little safer. But when we consider the DeepSeek, is the little concern, like because it is open source, and it also maintains privacy. But just keep in mind when you are subscribing to the DeepSeek, and then it's a decision based on your need. You can just use the DeepSeek. So this is the URL deepseek.com. When you go here, and you will get this page, and just if you just click on start button, you can see this is the page. And this DeepSeek requires specific login. You have to create a login, user login for this. If you have Google account or something, you can have a single sign on before using, and once you log in, you will have this screen. But this is the chart gpt which you can have. This doesn't require login, but you can still log out if you don't want to log in. So that's where you are safe from the data privacy. So like okay, and we will ask the both of these two things, few questions like what is weather today. We'll see what it is advising us. Same thing. I'm just taking this one and I'm asking this question to this, and we'll see what it is saying. See, so both are saying like currently I don't have real-time access data, and cannot provide today's weather. So it is saying like that. And this one also, that we are asking the same question. I cannot check real time weather, but you can easily find it on website like Google or something. So if it is unable, and it is advising us to check where we can get this information. Okay, say like this, you can ask both of them, and you can find the anything. So please, I'm asking something code related. Please provide a code for addition of two numbers, sorry, addition spelling, addition of two numbers using Java. Let us see what it is doing. Just let me take, because I need the same text to be used for the next chat GPT. So let us see what it is giving us. So if it can generate the code for us. Okay, so this is how it is generating, and then see what it will do, what it is going to do. So the way both are giving the solutions depending on their own language, whatever it has, the language. I mean, the underlying large language models that they are working upon. So based on its algorithm, it is generating this. Deepseek is giving this content, and ChatGPT is giving the same. So the question is the same, but the solution, the way they are generating the code and the solution, are depending on their nature of algorithm.